Hello, one, two, three. Okay.
In the navbar links. Now currently we write and that's because we haven't actually imported CM and we also haven't imported orientation.
Right. Hmm. An HTML button cannot be a descendant of a button. This will call as an iteration error. Okay. Okay. Oh, hello, unknown society. What the fuck? हाँ, क्या लेंगे? हाँ, मैंने वो से प्राइसिंग मंगवाई है। नहीं, वो वही थी, पर वो रिसर्च वगैरह के लिए और थोड़ा क्लियर। ये बता दूंगा।
हाँ, क्या लेंगे? हाँ, मैंने वो उससे प्राइसिंग मंगवाई है। वो वही थी, पर वो रिसर्च वगैरह के लिए थोड़ा क्लियर। बता दूंगा। Plays dash YouTube, then for number of employees, choose decline, and for the region, I will choose the US, and then let me hit save. And then right here, you'll see I get an error, and it asks me domain name can contain only letters and numbers. So let me delete my previous dash, and hit save. Let's see if this works. And yes, as you see, we only have one business successfully created. Let's see where do I have it. I have it here, marketplace dash YouTube. Let me right click on that, and let's then continue. Alright, so now we have like a little, I guess, quick step guide, you can call it like that. So first of all, I want to use client in my existing codebase since we already created one. Let me click on next. Then for the type file, for the SDK, we use Node.js. Let me click on next. Then right here, how do we want to allow our users to sign in? So let's use Gmail, let's use Google, and then let me actually also use GitHub. There we have it. And right here, GitHub. So we have email, GitHub, and Google. Let me click on next. And now we see we are almost there. What I now click right here is for no thanks. I export my own case. And now what we have right here is our house. So we currently have 0 users, which is fine since we haven't really set a client right now. But we see already that this project is working, and then we can now actually set it our whole client actually authentication in our Next.js application. So what I do is click on top on box to actually open our documentation page. And now inside of here, we choose our SDK. For the SDK, we use of course Authentication. And now we can actually get started with this quick step guide right here. So the first thing we have to do is actually install the client package. So I use here again, so let me open the installation command. Let me open the terminal, let's open it from the terminal tab. And then let me go to the installation command. So while this is installing, let me head over back to the docs. So the second step is to set the development tools. So we can use to go back to the dashboard, click on the application, view details. You'll see we get development in a second. And then inside of here, we have our allowed product cloud and our allowed upload layer product. Now these are already correctly set as you see right here, and we don't have to change anything, so this is working good. The next thing we have to do is we have to configure our environment variables. So what we have to do right here is actually use all of these environment variables in our env file. So let me actually copy that, let's go back, and then when we have our env file, we don't have one, so let me actually create one env directory for what we need, and then let me just paste the environment variables. Again, if you forgot to add the what env before, please do that right now, or you'll get problems at the end of the deployment phase. Let me now go back to the env, and what we have right here is the 6 environment variables. Now these are actually quite simple. What here we store the client ID, client secret, our HTML label, so this is the actual domain where the business name shows. Then we have our client site URL, this is local accountant, so this is correct. Our client post lockout redirected out, this is local accountant, that means when you actually log out, you get redirected to our homepage. And then we have the client post URL redirected out, that is just the URL where we redirect after actually successfully logging in. So instead of saying slash dashboard, I just choose the homepage right here. So let me now actually go back, and let's now actually propagate what we did in our variables. So as you already know, we already documented our settings in the dashboard, and then right here we already have our domain, our client ID, and client secret. So let me now paste our client secret. Let me go back and paste it right here for our environment variable. Let me get my client ID, this is right here. I'll copy that and then paste it right here for our client ID. And then let me also get our domain, and I'll paste our domain for the client HTML out. So let me paste that, and now this also looks great. So we're now
Okay. Thank you. All right. Oh, I see. Yeah, I was just setting up kind authentication. Maybe I was doing after that manually. The fuck? How long is going to take? All of these are warnings. LF will be replaced by git crlf. Thank you. Git commit dash m. Set up the project. Uh, Make the navbar and set up client. क्या नाम है इसका यार? Kind of. Yeah, I don't know why GitHub is taking a long time. Hello, some nice username, dog. Why the fuck is it taking so long? I think there's some issue with my internet. GitHub usually do not take this long. I have to set the route handlers for auth next, and callback URL setup configure environment variable. I have to set up the kind dot create the following API auth route inside the file. So I'll put this code. Perfect. This will handle kind auth endpoints in your next JS app. Important, our SDK relies on this file existing. Okay. Authentication, sign in and login. The SDK shifts with login link, sign in link component which can be used to start the auth flow. Redirecting after authentication, static redirect. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Dependencies, yeah. Yeah, some dependencies like or some third party libraries like Ent-D and Framer Motion are really heavy, so I try to avoid using them as much as possible. But I think with Next.js, the problem of huge dependencies installed in client side is solved because of server components. Let me just push all the changes. Git push all the change head. Yo, why the authentication component can be used redirecting for authentication, static rendering. If you want to redirect user to a certain page after logging in, you can set the kind, right? You can set the pose parameters and this appends the post to the search parameter when redirecting to kind auth. You can achieve the same result as above. Perfect. You can get an authorized user kind or data from any server component using the get server session helper. Okay, it provides access token, boolean flag, permissions. How? These are types. Huh? Yo, what the fuck? God damn. I cannot push it to GitHub. The fuck is this? How much experience you have? Not much. I've been doing programming for 6 months, 6 to 7 months now. I started in October of last year, so November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. So 8 months now. Counting. You sure you're supposed to be pushing all those while honestly I'm not. um, what do you think? What should I do? I just want to make the changes to GitHub so I can deploy the application when it's complete. Yeah. Nah, you made Google, bro. What are you talking about? Thank you, Sam. He owns 10 companies. He also owns Apple. He knows hardware and software. So this guy is my mentor. Oh, what the fuck is this? Failed to push some refs. God damn. Can you turn up the mic? I can barely hear you. Hello? My mic is at full amplitude. Okay, let me check. Yo, my volume is good. I think you have your volume down or something like that. Yo, is my mic really? Can you really not hear me? Because in my stream playback, I can. Hello?
Yo, is my mic really? Can you really not hear me? Because my screen playback, I can. Hello?
God damn. Hello? Is it good now? I have to get my new mic. Did it do it? Updating refs, main, rewriting commits. What the fuck did it do? Since git lfs to run the command in case it would look after that you should be able to push your change. Acha, after this I should be able to. So let me commit it once again. God damn. Isn't there supposed to be a git ignore file auto generated while generating the library files? Yeah, there is a git ignore file, but uh, should I add the kind authentication dependency to the git ignore? This file exceeds the limit. I don't fucking care, bro. Let me. Let me try with GitHub Desktop though. Yo, is my mic better after removing the this cap thingy? Yeah, this is the git ignore file. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, production and Next.js testing dependencies. So it ignores the node module pnp run so our this is the am I even in the right yo I'm not even in the right folder. What the fuck? Okay. Uh, so yeah, I think it should work now because I was in the wrong folder, so it was not ignoring all the dependencies and stuff, and it still doesn't work. Fuck off then. Fuck this. Let me just see the document once again. Redirecting the authentication. No. Yeah. App API route. Okay. I have to make a API folder. I have to make a auth folder inside that. I have to make a kind auth. Discord in there. So the app folder, the API folder, the auth folder, the kind auth folder, and the route.js route handler. Right. Close this shit. Yeah, thank you for subscribing. What do you do in backend? Because Blaziken also does backend and stuff like that. So yo, what does this as child does? Code functionality and server stuff. Basically, I don't really like front end because it's not creative. Yeah, because I'm not creative. Oh, yeah, you. I don't think it's. I'm not creative too. I don't think front end is for creative people. I think designing is for creative people though. That's for sure. Front end is as. That, I don't really like front end too. I'm planning to learn in the API stuff and backend stuff further down the line after I master the Next.js and other things. What was I doing? Right. This was this should be sign up. This should be login, and I should wrap this around. Hmm? Code functionality and other stuff. Login link, right? Yo, I used to code in Python, but I switched over to C++ after 2 years. It's been so much better. Yeah, C. No, actually, my first language I learned a few years back in 2019 was C++. Then I took a break from programming for around 4 years because I was bored. I didn't want to do it. And then, in October I restarted again because I have nothing to do. Uh, yeah, I wanted to see the doc. Import register link from this shit. self-loathing
that. Yeah.
login. Okay, it is working. That's perfect. What framework I'm using? Next.js right now for my front end framework, and Tailwind CSS for my CSS framework, and Kind for authentication. And I'm planning to use Supabase for the backend too. Right. Yeah. If I click sign up, I should be redirected to the sign up page. Get started. But that's perfect. Redirected to the authentication after. No, I got that. Logout link that is implemented in the same way as sign up or sign in. Our component is provided to you. Getting the server. Let me just try to log in. Sign up first. Let's say my name is this, and Abhi Parasha, Gmail. Right. Let me just get the code for. Yo, is it break time yet? Almost. Almost. Yeah, this login page, I did not make it actually. It's provided by the kind authentication I use. We just have to make the login and sign up button, and that's all. Uh, that's why I like kind. It's pretty useful. I didn't get a code dog. Parash. Hmm. I didn't. What's this website gonna be for? This website is I'm doing it as a personal project actually, and for a practice for a professional project with a company. So this is just for practice, and this is a marketplace actually. Okay, break time. This is a marketplace for. This is a marketplace for selling digital stuff. You can say. Ben stroke. When I watch the tutorial of JavaScript on YouTube, it's easy, but when I implement the thing, it's getting difficult for me. Can you suggest anything? Yeah, that's really common when you start learning programming. Actually, it happened to me as well. What I used to do was I used to complete all the project that was specified in the course by myself, and then what I used to do was I used to learn all the logic for the project, right? If I didn't understand anything, I used to write it in my Notion, no Notion page, and I used to write everything there. And I used to repeat this process. I do some project, I write all the logic, I learn it, and then I do some project again, and eventually I learned all the basic things and understood all the basic concept that were used in all those projects. So it helped me. So the main thing is to just do projects, and you'll get better. I think that is the most important thing. If you do projects, it's going to be all right. Let me just. Yeah, I would suggest what I would suggest you to watch some course with 2 or 3 projects in it for JavaScript, and then do 2 or 3 more projects by yourself. Taking help from ChatGPT and other mediums, and then move on to React.js or any framework you want to, like Next or Angular, and then do projects in that stuff too, and you'll get better. It shouldn't be a problem then. Mm-mm-mm. I got the code right now. Well, let me just enter the code first. 8 11 6. Let me just show you what was I saying about writing all the logic and stuff. So this is the doc when I learned JavaScript, right? And after, yeah, you can see the last page is only for concept and ideas, right? So I wrote all the main concept that I didn't understood for the project. You can see that to know which button we press, we set the data attribute of the project ID, and we stored this. And eventually, I understood these things, and it isn't much of a problem now. Yo, all right. Break time. I had a backend doubt actually, because for the main project that I am doing, I just started it now with my team. So we were actually making the sample schema for things, right? And one thing I wanted some advice for is, how do you test all the relationships in the schema? How do you write all the unit tests and stuff? Any advice for that? I have an idea. You just perform basic CRUD operations in some functions, right? But is there any specific advice you guys can provide? What is my specs? It's pretty bad. These are my specs. i5. Uh, I don't know about this. This is the GPU. Yeah. So if some of you can, if any of you can, give some advice regarding testing for the schema, it would be really helpful. Okay. Mm. Yeah, no problem, doc. How can you balance the performance of OBS when you're streaming? Because for me, it lowers the performance of the PC. It lowers my performance of the PC too. But I, try to open as less application as possible. But I don't know, it just works for me. I think the main thing you need for a good stream is the internet. If you have a good internet, it works fine, just fine. Mm. All right. Mm. Oh, have you guys heard of this application called Forest? If I'm even audible. Uh, 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 uh. So the break should be over in 3 minutes. Okay. So let me just check. You can hire your mic audio from the system settings. From where? Are you IIT student or something? Because how they really can you little bit about yourself, how you learn this stuff? No. I just graduated from my high school last year. So I'm planning to go to a university in Canada this September. So actually, I started learning programming in class 9 or grade 9, you can say, in 2019, right? My first language was C++, but I got bored. I stopped programming, then I started again last year in October. So, so this time, my main goal was not to learn programming. My main goal was entrepreneurship. Do projects and don't want for tutorials. Yeah, good advice. This time my main goal was not learning programming. It was entrepreneurship. So I learned the, you know, the main, yeah, you can say the most important thing, the most valuable thing that could work for me in entrepreneurship too. So I learned that and go to setting, then systems, then sound, then choose mic, then device properties. Let me just check. Setting, then system, then sound, then choose mic. Hello, 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 hello. Highest volume. What the fuck? You can choose mic, then device properties. I got to here. Hello, is it better now? Yo, got it. Building a personal project. So, is it better now? Can you hear me properly now? Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's a lot louder. Just turn down your volume then. Right. So, what was I doing? I was. What the fuck is this? What happened to this? Page could not be found. Oh, just 1 second. I have to change my thing. What is the environment variable? I have to go to. All right. So, uh, the kind auth. I set up the auth, so I need to get the. Have you ever tried Rust before? Yeah, Rust is trending right now. Yeah, I heard it was harder to the Rust thing. I also haven't tried it. Will do someday. I don't really care right now. Mm, yeah, let me just try to log in again. Yo, you can edit the design. It's pretty cool. My business. Into lower level programming, I heard Rust is like the future. I don't know, right? Memory efficient code. What is the benefit of Rust? Let's say Rust versus C++. I can decide Rust or C++. I learned in university. Fuck off. Game dev and audio are still heavily C++ from what I've known. ML is 99% Python unless you're working under the hood. I would learn Rust partially because it makes you a better C++ programmer. I would try to focus on C++ because it's much harder language. Also, and also learn Rust. You might be hired Okay, that might quite regarding open regarding that for me. Only one rule. No C++. I say no right away to any recruiter talking about C++. I try to work in C++. What is the advantage of Rust? Is Rust better than you provide a wide range of features, careful programming? Although both languages used to build highly secure application. I think Rust is faster than C++. That is the reason I think people are saying it's better or something like that. Let me just move on to Rust. Right. Prone to memory safety issues, designed with memory safety in mind. So Rust is more secure when working with tiny memory bits or something like that. Prevent common errors through ownership models, concurrency, offer more manual control but can be error prone. So basically Rust is more secure, runtime performant, highly optimized with control, comparable to C, rarely overhead due to safety checks. So C++ is faster but Rust is more secure. I like managing my own memory and control of my code more better than benefit of performance. All languages are there. I'm seeing what language can fit my yeah. Okay, let's move further. Let's do design. I can upload the logo. Let's choose the theme to be dark. Background color to be. Let me just. This is black. Border radius of 10 pixel. Buttons. Background color. I don't think you're missing out really. If I switch languages. If it ignores. Yeah, what shared scene, right? Shared scene UI. Input fields, you can color the links too. That's cool. So I want the buttons to be red or rose, you can say. How long have you wanted to master concept? I mainly do backend development. I build a Discord flow in my own async UI loop with Python. Right. Color extractor from image. The front end was React. So right, thank you. So for the dark one, I want to use this, and the color should be white. That's all right. And border radius to be 8, input field to be 8, and the link should be this color too, and this color too. That's perfect. I mean, leadership role, essentially like cryptography and encryption and anything that I deal with networking and CPP has a lot of advantage. I never got to learn a front-end framework or anything because it seemed like I wasn't creative enough to make anything with it. I think creativity is not a problem. If you have a designer, of course, we have a designer in our team, so I just have to make what she made for us. So uh, so in cryptography you mainly do encryption and security stuff, right? Encryption and decryption of certain things. I don't know. I do not have a specific idea about it. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, all right. So then I have to. I don't know. Do this. I need to get to the docs first. Next. Yeah, cryptography is basically security. Cybersecurity is one of the mysteries that have some. So, what if I wanted to learn cybersecurity? Where should I start? What should I do? Because one of the main problems with all the projects I do for businesses and stuff is the security thing. None of my team members know that much into security and other stuff. I know though because when I was learning HTML, I was only making stuff because I had no idea what to make. So, are you working at a company or something like that right now for cryptography? I need to get the no client data. Yeah, get client server session helper. Okay, so get user is authenticated, right? And get this. Import this. Const is is authenticated authenticated equal to get kind server session I'm not working at a company. I mean, if you know Python, you could get into networking and security and cybersecurity. It's kind of just mainly about that stuff. Sockets are some kind of cooler subject in Python. I'm not working. So, are you freelancing or what are you doing with cryptography? Or do you own a startup or something like that? What is on the data, right? It's good. Sockets. So, if is authenticated is true, we have to test it. Else, single-threaded bound currency revolve around. Did you mean to call it instead? Oh, it is a function. Await. Const check auth equal to await basic asynchronous await. It's authenticated. This one, right? Check auth is true. Right. Const check auth equal to await is authenticated. Make this function async. Do this with check auth. Make this in a cover this in brackets. When I used to make some stuff with Sorted why can I switched over to CPP because C++, the setup was very similar. That there's this hardware system that can take in sockets when you run code, so your main thread can offer other tasks and other hardware system notifies the main thread when the socket receives the data. You're 16. Uh, and I'm almost I'm 18 too. I'm almost 19 this year actually. Do you program at school? So check auth is true. Then if it's true, then no. If it's not true, then we display. That's cool. So I got this. I do not need the reference for this stuff. Let me just store the. Mm, yeah, this is the marketplace. Create a bookmark of this. I do all my programming outside of school. In client components, function, use kind browser client. Alright, I got this. So, ensure this data to us up to date. If it's loading, return. What is this? Is loading shit. When I was in Calc 2, I think it's when I got into this. Calc 2 is crazy. I'm not studying math anymore. I stopped after Calc 2. Function anonymous. So all of them are functions. What if I wait? Can I wait this? No. I stopped a few months ago. Hey, Levi. Yo, meet him, guys. Pretty. So I didn't fucking start the timer again. So what was I doing? Yeah, his name is Leo. The one other it would be on a morning talk show. Are you talking about me or are you talking to him? Okay, so let's start. Uh, Await get access token. This is AZPX. So this is the access tokens. Origin permissions. False. Get boolean flag. I have no idea what even is this. Is default. Oh, what the fuck? permissions, get organization, abhi parasha. So this is the details, right? It is after is granted. We respect the grind. Fuck this. I'll use it when I use it. Right. So I checked the authentication. I got the login down. I got the log. So let me just do the logout too. So kill this child. Logout link. Why? My VS Code is not responding to this. Imports of for this library. Logout link. Logout. That's perfect. So if I log out now, the authentication should be false. And it should tell me to log in. Then I log in. What career do you want to major in? Actually, I, I'm planning to major in computer science. So what about you guys? What are you guys doing? But I think currently the state of computer science is not really good. I mean, I wanted to be a mathematician, then an astrophysicist, then like a computer science. Nice career choice, dog. I remember when I was around 12 years old, I wanted to be an astronaut because I wanted to walk on the sun, actually. That's perfect. It's working. Unrevealed on position. Console.log. This is the user. Await get user. Family name with Zoro, given name study, picture this. Okay, so uh, Lola Flora so much on cool. I got mainly into these topics because it seems to be make how curious everything works. That's pretty cool. I got into front end because of mainly because of entrepreneurship, but when I was a teenager, I currently am, but starting as a teenager actually, I wanted to learn how to make mobile applications. So I like front end development. It's not that bad. It could be the future. It could be the future because AI could take over high level programming. Um, I don't think it's on that level yet, but yeah, simple functionality and other stuff, AI can easily take over. Yeah, but I don't really care about it that much. I think of it as a tool, the AI stuff. So I got the user, so that's cool. Yeah, what the? My shit is lagging. So he's using not checkout. So let me just say user const user equal to await get user. Fuck off. Fuck off too. Should work fine. So he wants a user navigation drop down instead of the log. So let's go to no, not this one. The shared C anywhere. Right. I like that I started Python because I'm understanding its drawbacks. Same way I started. It was hard to switch over until when you're comfortable with one. That's true. Display the menu of the user open. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, I think it should be break time. It's 1:55. So let's see. It's not working. Let me start the timer. I have to get out of my comfort zone. Yeah, bro. Everybody have to get out their comfort zone at some point at everything. I think that's my opinion. So, are you guys planning on going on to the path of entrepreneurship, or are you even a slightly bit interested in entrepreneurship and other stuff? Yeah, that's true. Communication skill. हाँ आ रहे हो आओ क्यों है ठीक है hmm I think I'm gonna do one more or half a session more I think for 45 minutes then I have a meeting with my teammates about marketing and other stuff then I'll be playing some games. So do you guys play any games or anything like that for in your free time? Because I actually like to, you know, play games and talk to people in my free time. What about you? हाँ हम्म okay. Yo, what's up, Rahul? How you doing? How you doing? Think the break should be over. Yeah, in 5 minutes. Hmm. ये कैसे? Yo, what's going on, Rahul? Mm-mm-mm. Make sure to test for outcomes. Right. Yo, if you want to join the Discord, we have a Discord. So if you want to connect more, I'll share the link. It's in the description, though. You can, if you want to join, you can click on the link on the description. I'll add you as a friend too. Pretty fun guy. Yo, if you want to join the Discord, we have a Discord. Alright, 2 more minutes. Then we can get to work again. I would join if I did though. Yeah, that's okay. It's fine. Actually, I think I'll be ending, and not myself, ending the stream right now because what is it? It's 7:30 a.m. for me right now, so I have to get to some other work. So I'll be streaming again tomorrow, same time. Hope you guys are there again. Really love talking to you, some and Blaziken. Have a good day. Bye bye.